Today's make it is a Paracord keychain. Don't forget to pick up your supplies in the Yaz. You'll have a bag that includes 4 feet of paracord, a key ring, swivel clasp, and the instructions. So this is the finished product, and I'm going to show you how to make it. The other supplies that you'll need are scissors and a lighter. Please make sure that you are being very safe with the lighter. If you feel uncomfortable using one, ask an adult to help you. So the supplies are the key ring, the swivel clasp, and the paracord. So the first thing you're going to do is take your paracord and find the center by taking the 2 ends together and finding that middle piece. Next, you're going to take this folded loop and you're going to secure it around the key ring by putting it through the center and then taking the loose ends and go through this loop and then pull it tight. This is actually going to be the bottom, so I'm going to turn this around. You're going to take your swivel clasp and you're going to thread those loose ends through the ring of the swivel clasp. You want to leave about 4 inches between the swivel clasp and the ring. And this will be the length of your keychain. So I'm going to use this one. Looks pretty good. To get started with knotting is you're going to tie a square knot. If you don't know how to tie a square knot, I've included a YouTube link in the instructions in the supply packet, and I will be sure to link it on this video as well. It's a very straightforward knot. So you're going to have the 2 center cords and the 2 outer cords. I'm going to start on my left side. You're going to loop the left in front, so over the left loop, behind the center, and through the hole. And you're going to pull that tight. And that is your first knot. Show the length is. Now, you're just going to continue tying square knots, but you want to make sure that you alternate which side you start with. So I started on the left side. My next knot's going to start on the right side. So again, right side goes over the 2 center, and then the left side's going to go over and then behind the 2 in the center, and then pull tight. If you don't alternate your knots, you'll end up with a twist, which is not bad, but not what we're going for. So now I'm going to do left. Right. And make sure you continue to tighten your knots and make sure that they're straight. Okay, so now that I'm at the end, I'm going to trim the cord as close to the knot as possible. Then you're going to take your lighter and melt the end so that it won't fray and that it sticks. Now it is hot. Don't touch it with your fingertips. We're going to get the other side. All right, and you're done. This is still hot, so I'm just gonna sit it down and let it cool off.